This is the EWS0849 Grade 5 safe from Wertheim of Austria. Now this is the most highly certified Grade 5 safe in Europe, and with very good reason. The attention to detail, the attack resistance, everything about this safe just screams quality. Yet it's very, very compact. It's only 848 millimeters high, 645 millimeters wide, and 565 millimeters deep, but it weighs 665 kilos. Now I'm just going to open up the main door of the safe to show you inside, but I first want to draw your attention to the fact there are two electronic locks on the door. Now all grade 4 and grade 5 safes are required to have two certified locks on the door, and we would recommend those locks are electronic. Keys are too easily copied in this day and age, and mechanical combinations can be bypassed. Most people go for electronic locks. Electronic locks can also be hooked up to things like alarm systems, which I'll show you in a second, and they give you things like multi-user codes, etc. So I'm just going to open up this top lock now using the default code. The bottom lock is already open, and open up this monstrous door. Now as you can see, the door is incredibly solid. There are massive rectangular steel bolts all the way down the door, at the top, the bottom, and there are fixed dog bolts on the inside of the door, and they lock into a reinforced frame here. Okay? Now a feature I like on this safe is at the top of the door we have an alarm cutout, and that allows you to put an alarm contact in the top of the safe, and there's a draw cable here that allows you to run a cable down out the back of the safe into your alarm system. So that's a very, very low cost way of hooking the safe up to your alarm system. You can hook it up as a separate zone on the alarm system, so it's almost like another room in your house. But another thing you can do is you can use that cable to hook up to electronics inside the door and give yourself things like duress or remote control, anything like that. Now a duress is basically, if I have an electronic lock and I put in a special code, it will set off a silent alarm. So there's endless amounts of things you can do with electronic locks, and it's another reason we would recommend electronic locks. Now lastly, just to show you the certification plates here. This is the certification plate from VDS. This is the certification plate from ECBS. But the safe is also certified by CNPP in France. Okay? So I'm just going to close it up now, and as I said, the door is very, very heavy. Close it over, top lock, bottom lock, and we're done.